In this video, I'll explain how to change a color photo to black and white. There are two ways you can do this in Photo Studio Pro. Option 1 is to adjust saturation. Open your image in Photo Editor and select the Adjustments tab. Then move the saturation slider all the way to the left to reach -100%. Once your photo is in black and white, you can use the other sliders to further adjust your image. For example, contrast, blacks, whites, and shadows. Option 2 is to use a black and white effect known as a LUT style. Click the Styles tab to open the selection of LUT styles. Then scroll down until you find the black and white styles. Simply click on a style to add it to your photo. Like before, you can further adjust your photo using the settings in the Adjustments tab. Let us know in the comments if you found this video useful. Like the video if you did, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook to stay up to date with everything happening with inPixio. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.